everyone, it's Kirsten, and this is one of our tutorials for our year-end tech checklist. And I want to talk about familiarizing ourselves with some of the tech resources that are available from our Mountain View School Division PD Resource Center. I think that summer is a perfect opportunity to reintroduce yourself to some of the tech supports that are available to meet your classroom programming goals. And so I am on our school division website, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom for some of our in-screen navigation, and you'll see that in this blue ribbon we have our library icon. Now this icon is here in this format regardless of if you access from the divisional page or the individual school page. So when I click on this, I'm going to select the MVSD PD Resource Center. And this is going to open up a new tab that has the library catalog that has been established for our division. Now, just a quick generic search of technology can showcase the over 200 resources that are available, both for your support as well as your students. So you can scroll through, see what's available, and if for some reason you can't find what you need, I recommend just giving Sharon Thompson a call or an email. She knows this catalog backwards and forwards and will be able to suggest resources to meet your programming goals. So that would be my first recommendation in order to see some of the amazing tools that are available to assist you. Now, a second way to see what tools are available through the PD Resource Center is to look at our Mountain View School Division ICT Resources Notebook. So right now I'm displaying our MVSD intranet or our SharePoint page, and I'm going to go to our middle column here under Mountain View School Division Resources, and fourth down you'll see the computer device icon, MVSD ICT Resources. So you will select that and it will open up a new tab that's going to take you to a Microsoft Notebook file. Now, this resource has a whole bunch of information, so I just want to focus on our PD Resource Center. So if you're not familiar with Microsoft Notebook, think of it like an online digital binder. And on the left-hand side, we have different sections. Think of those like your binder divider tabs. And then within each section, you can see that we offer different pages. So for this tutorial, I want to go to the PD Resource Center section, and that's going to show me all of the different pages that are available. And I'm going to go down to the PD Center Tech Resources. And what I like about this page is Sharon worked with me to provide a sampling of some of the resources that are available through the catalog that I shared at the start of the tutorial. But what I like is this piece about the technology kits. Now, I think these kits are a fantastic resource because they are the perfect opportunity for you to bring in some of our tech tools, especially the ones that might be a little bit more cost prohibitive for a school to have, but you can get your own classroom version just on a loan. So you can scroll through and see all of the different kits that are available for you to take out, as well as some other books that I'm highlighting. The nice thing about this as well that I just kind of want to point out, because you might not be familiar with it, is if you've ever worked with any of our OSMO kits before, we're really excited that the tech department partnered with the PD Resource Center earlier in the 2019-2020 school year to make sure that we had sufficient iPads to go along with each of our OSMO kits. Previously, you had to make sure that your school iPads were available for use. This time, when you get the kit, you'll have the right number of iPads all ready to go. So I know that's something our staff were requesting, and we're really happy that that's available. So just another way to see some of the awesome resources that are available for your programming needs from the PD Resource Center. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can contact myself or, in this case, Sharon Thompson directly at the center. And good luck with your tech year-end checklist.